Is your favorite TikTok feature suddenly gone? Vanished? Like it never existed? Don't panic. I'll help you bring it back in just 60 seconds. TikTok updates a lot, and sometimes features disappear temporarily, shift locations, or get removed entirely without warning. But before you freak out, try these 4 quick fixes. One of them usually works. First, update the app. Old versions often hide new features or cause glitches. Still broken? Head to TikTok settings and clear your cache. It refreshes your app without losing data. If nothing's working, delete and reinstall TikTok. A fresh install can bring back missing tools. Still gone? It may be intentional. TikTok often tests or removes features regionally. Check at TikTok support or their newsroom for updates. But here's what TikTok doesn't tell you. They're always experimenting. So if a feature's gone, it may return later or get replaced. Adapting fast is part of being a creator here. So if you want to stay ahead of TikTok's game, bookmark this video and check back when weird stuff starts happening. Smash like if this helped, drop a comment if your feature came back, and subscribe for more TikTok tips, fast.